guys, I am Rojit and today I will be reviewing Paulownia facial wipes. So I'm super excited to try this out because this is all made with natural ingredients. This not only removes your makeup, it exfoliates and it hydrates your skin as well, which is super cool. The best part is this is alcohol free, which is the best because that's what I always look for. This is how it looks, tiny little packet. And it's super cute. It's 5-in-1 water activated facial cleansing wipe. So it not only removes your makeup, it cleanses your skin, it tones, exfoliate and hydrate. Wow. Okay, a lot of things in just one tiny. So you basically just put this under the water and then you start wiping your skin, which is pretty simple. Okay, let's try it out. Okay. Alright, so it's a tiny little piece wipe, not like your regular wipe, so it's super dry, nothing is on it. So once we put it under the water, it will be activated and ready to go. Okay, so let me do that. Alright guys, so this is all activated. Okay, so let me start removing from one side. Okay, so here you can see all coming out. Look at before oh wow, did you see that? All clear. So here, this part, I always have a hard time removing mascara, eyeliner, under my eye, above my eye. So wow, this is insane. Okay, so lipstick. See. Okay, so this is the last part. Almost done here, guys. Okay.